Our next questions from GATE 2015 mass transfer, each for 2 marks. Actually, in this we will solve 3 questions, each for 2 marks, right? A spherical ball of benzoic acid is submerged in a pool of still water. The solubility of the diffusivity of benzoic acid in water are 0.03 kilomole per meter cube, and this, right? Sherwood number is given this. The initial rate of dissolution of benzoic acid approximately is. So let's start with the solution first. We will solve question number 31. Question number 31. Since it is given that it is in still water, they have given this pool of still water, right? So that means velocity should be 0. If velocity is 0, Reynolds number will be 0, since you know that Reynolds number is dv rho by mu, v is 0, so Reynolds number will be 0. From this you will see here Sherwood number will be 2 only. Sherwood number will be 2 only. This term will be 0, right? If Sherwood number is 2, you know that Sherwood number is given as Kc d over dab, where d is the diameter of the sphere and dab is the diffusivity, right? We will put all the values. From this we will calculate, since they have given the diameter is 1.5 centimeters, so I will convert it in meter, and they have given the diffusivity also, so from this we will calculate the Kc. From this we get Kc is equal to 1.666 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter per second, right? Dissolution rate, how we will calculate the dissolution rate? First we will calculate the flux, molar flux, then we will multiply it by area, surface area of the sphere. So flux will be calculated as Kc into Ca minus 0. It should be Ca minus 0. Actually, since concentration at the surface of the sphere will be maximum, and far from the surface of the sphere there will be concentration will be 0, right? So I will put only Kc into Ca. There is no problem with this, since they are asking the initial rate of dissolution, so initial concentration we will consider as Ca, right, into A. And they have given the solubility. Since they have given the solubility, they have given the solubility is 0.03 kilomole per meter cube, right? They have given the solubility. So Kc we have Ca 0.03 kilomole per meter cube, and surface area of the sphere is given as 4 pi r square, right? 4 pi r square. So 4 into 3.14 into you can see here it will be 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2, that is in meter, divided by 2. After solving we will get 3.54 into 10 to the power minus 12 kilomole per second. This is the initial dissolution rate. So from this, option B is correct. Option B is correct, right? So our next question is question number 32. A wet solid of 100 kg is dried from a moisture content of 40 weight percent to 10 weight percent. Remember this, they have given weight of solid, right? The critical moisture content is 15 weight percent. Equilibrium moisture content is negligible, that means it is 0. All moisture content are on the dry basis. These are all moisture content are on the basis of dry basis, right? The falling rate period considered to be linear. It takes 5 hours to dry material in the constant rate period. The duration of the falling rate period is. So let's start with the solution. In this question, for the constant rate period, remember this formula: Tc is equal to Ws upon Anc xi minus xc, where xi is the initial moisture content on the dry basis, is the critical moisture content on the dry basis, and Ws is the weight of dry solid, A is the area, Nc is the constant drying rate, right? So we have xi 40 weight percent, and critical moisture content we have 15 weight percent. After putting, and they have given a constant rate period, drying time is 5 hours, so we will calculate Ws upon Anc, that is 20. For falling rate period, remember this formula: Tf is equal to Ws upon Anc xc minus x equilibrium ln xc minus x equilibrium on xf minus x equilibrium. Since they have given the equilibrium moisture content is 0, so we will remove that, so it will be del Ws upon Anc xc ln xc upon xf, right? Xc is 0.15 and xf is 0.1. Since critical moisture content is 15% and final moisture content is 10 weight percent, right? After solving we will get TF is equal to 1.21, or this is the final answer, right? Next question is 36. A binary distillation column is operating with a mixed feed contain 20 mole percent vapor. If the feed quality is changed to 80 mole percent vapor, the change in the slope of the Q line is. So let's start. Slope of the feed line equation is given as minus Q upon 1 minus Q. Since it is given as 20%, you can see here mixed feed contain 20 mole percent vapor. If 20 mole percent vapor is there, then Q will be 80 mole percent. Remember this, we will consider Q is the mole percent of the liquid only. Remember this, right? Q will be 0.8. So from this we will get slope is equal to minus 4. Again they have given the 80 mole percent vapor, so it will be 20 mole percent liquid. So new slope will be 0.2 minus 0.2 upon 1 minus 0.2, that is minus 1 by 4. They are asking to what is the change in slope. Change in slope will be given as minus 0.25. Since 1 by 4, this is the final minus initial, right? It is 0.25 minus 0.25 minus 4, it will be 3.75. This is the final answer. So thank you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.